Well, welcome to another quilting outdoor adventure. I'm your host, Rob Appell from Stitchin Heaven, right here on YouTube, and I am so blessed to see everybody out there, and I am excited to know you'll be traveling along with me as I head out. Well, I'm already out actually in the wonderful nature, Pacific Northwest, California, Oregon, Washington, with my antique sewing machine that I have converted to run off of an inverter out of my wonderful old Toyota Sequoia here. I will be sleeping and camping and sewing, creating this entire quilt that is called Summer Camp. Now the pattern is from Charisma Horton. I will be doing a tutorial in a wonderful location, block by block, as I go over the next 2 weeks, with my goal of getting all the way to Charisma's house and having her help me get this quilted. This is going to be an amazing adventure, folks. I really hope you enjoy the style of these videos. The scenery is epic. There are full lessons for each block. Don't give up if there's a few shadows or a few wind hits in the microphone. I'm doing my best outside, traveling by myself, and I will tell you, I've had an incredibly blessed time. I hit a little bit of fun weather along the way, and I'm able to bring that together to tell a better story of the blocks and the quilting and everything. So at any rate, here we go. We're gonna get started. Block number 1. I'm super pumped you're here for this project and the rest of the blocks and the entire summer camp quilt tutorial series. Folks, this is gonna be an adventure. So glad you're here. Let's do this.